Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Saurabh Mapari. I am from first year IT department.
Hello, myself Omkar Ashok Kolte. I am from first year IT department.
Hello, myself Rahul Lohr from first year IT department, Zeal College. Our guide name is Tejaswini Bhosle ma'am. Our project is Personalise Diary using Python. Our objective is to empathize learning activity with the help of projects. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyank Naik and I am first year IT engineering student of Zeal College of Engineering, Pune, Maharashtra. Project is work. This is our code. Nowadays, personalized diary used for keep address of people saving in it. We will save important address in it like mobile number, email address, like many things. But here we added only mobile number. This world is a digital world. So we designed this address code. You can see the main page of our diary as the output. As you can see, it shows contact list box in right side. Here you fill this box by adding person name and contact number. I will show you like this. Then for finding contact number, first we click on the name of the person and then we just click on a view button like this. So you can see our program has been executed perfectly. For deleting contact, here you can see delete button.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.